Conjugating regular verbs, part 3. So right now the verb I've got is heißen, to be called. This is the one that you learned on the very first day of class, as in ich heiße, Sie heißen, wie heißen Sie, what's your name? I've got our verb endings here. Those are still going to be the same. And we know that there are certain shortcuts, such as these two love each other and these two love each other. So they will always be the same. Heißen, if I take off my ending and put it down here, all I have to do is put an E on the end. Ich heiße, that's why we have an E on the end of ich heiße, as opposed to wie heißen Sie. Wir, we know the shortcut to that. It's exactly what we start with. Heißen. And we also know that Sie und Big C will be heißen, because they always follow each other. Now, when I get down here to do, and I put my stem down, we have an SZ, and we know that SZ is actually a double S, a double S. Now, if I put my ST ending here, actually what that would translate to is something like this. S, 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 T. So we would get a word with 3 S's, which looks really silly. We don't want to say heißt. So what the Germans actually do in this case is they decided that 2 S's was enough, and they end up dropping that extra one because, well, you've already got one here, so heißt. So we will actually, for the do form here, write heißt with an SZ and a T, because that S has pretty much been included with the SZ. Sie es, put my stem down as usual, heiß, and put the T on the end. So nothing really new here. Same thing with ihr. Put my stem down, put the ending, heißt. So when we went over in class, heißt, sie heißt, this is the form we were using with that T on the end. So really the only thing you have to watch out for is a spelling change. Pronouncing it still sounds the same. Just when you're writing it, watch out for that. And that's it. Tschüss.